This is the killer of obesity. With only 1 tablespoon a day you will lower up to 15 kilos in 1 month. According to many experts, speeding up the metabolism is a natural and very effective way to eliminate those pesky excess pounds. You should start by taking proper nutrition using natural ingredients that will help improve digestion and achieve our body burn fat faster. Going hungry is not the best option if we want to lose weight, because with the passage of days we will not reach any solution. That is why this time we bring you a natural remedy that has amazed everyone because of its incredible effects. It was a group of scientists from the University of Medical Sciences in Iran, who conducted a study in which 2 groups of people, all overweight. The study participants, treated with a nutritionist, had a strict diet for 3 months consisting of ingesting 500 calories each day. The only thing that differentiated the 2 groups was that one of them was added to their diet cumin powder mixed with 140 milliliters of yogurt and the other only yogurt. At 3 months, the specialists began to calculate the differences of weight lost between the people of both groups and noticed that those who had consumed cumin had managed to reduce approximately 15 kilos and lost 14% of fat. The opposite group only managed to lose 10 kilos and 4% of fat. The difference was abysmal. After obtaining these results, it has been proven that cumin is one of the most effective natural foods to lose weight, since it has the ability to accelerate metabolism. In addition, among its components are phytosterols, which block the absorption of cholesterol. Adding cumin powder to the daily diet will not only help you get rid of those extra pounds that cost you so much, but it will also improve your health in many ways. You can eat the cumin with yogurt as in the experiment, or you can add it as a spice to your meals. Eat this spice and get rid of being overweight. Many people have already tried this home remedy and still cannot believe the excellent effects on their health.